Hello students, so today we will discuss dimensional formulae. Okay, so today we will derive the dimensional formula of physical quantities. Physical quantity. Okay, so first one is area. Let's say area. So formula of area is equal to length into breadth or length into breadth. We can say two length will be multiplied and give us area. Either it is length into breadth or you can say length into breadth. So area is equal to, in dimensions length is denoted by L. You will always use this bracket. Okay, and breadth is also calculated in length only, so this will also be L. It means the dimension will be L square. So we can always we have to represent the dimensions in mass, length and time form. Okay, so for expressing it in mass, length and time, we will write as m0 L2 T0, because m power 0 will be 1 and t power 0 will be also be 1. So L square will be your answer. So this is your dimensional formula for area. Secondly, C for volume. Volume is equal to L into B into H. So basically all three are what? Length only. So volume will be, in dimensions we will write in bracket L L L, which means L cube. And if we want to write in MLT form, so M0 L cube and T0. This is your dimensional formula for what? Volume. Now for velocity we will see. Okay, velocity, third one is your velocity. Okay, so what is the formula of velocity? Velocity is equal to displacement upon time. Okay, so velocity is denoted by V as a dimension and displacement will be in the form of L. Okay, and upon time, time is in t. So velocity will be L t minus 1, because this t1 will go upside and it will give us you negative sign. But if we want to express it MLT form, so m0 Lt minus 1 will be your dimensional formula. Fourth one is beta speed. So what is the formula of speed? Speed is equal to distance upon time. So again speed is equal to distance will be in L, length form, and time will be in t. Again same we get what? Lt minus 1, and if we want to form it in MLT form, so m0 Lt minus 1. So this is your speed dimensional formula. Next one is acceleration. Fifth one is acceleration. Okay, so what is the formula of acceleration? A is equal to velocity upon time. Okay, so V will be expressed in V by time t. Now in previously third we have calculated velocity. So velocity is m0 Lt minus 1. So here we will write mlt minus 1. Okay, for velocity we will express here. So this will be m0 L0 t minus 1 upon t. Okay, now t will go upside. So here here L will not be 0 because velocity is length upon time. Okay, so m0 lt minus 1. Now t will go upside, so m0 lt minus 1 and minus 1 more, so m0 lt minus 2. This is our acceleration. Okay, we can find it by our unit also. See, acceleration unit is meter per second square. So m will be meter, we can define is at length, and second means time, so t minus 2. Now we can write directly mlt minus 2. So if you know the units of the physical quantities, easily you can write the expressions. Okay, note few things of exponent, as a power m dot a n is will be a m plus n, which is product rule. Second one, a power m whole power n will be a power m into n. Third is a power minus 1 whole square will be a power minus 2. Okay, so these three expressions we will use in finding the dimensional formulas. So next, sixth one is force. So force is equal to mass into acceleration. So F is equal to mass will be in m, and acceleration we have already find ml0 m0 lt minus 2. Now this will, when we will combine this, what we get, m lt minus 2. This is our force. Now seventh one is work. Okay, so work formula is beta force into displacement. So force we have already find mlt minus 2, we will directly write mlt minus 2 into displacement will be normal L. So dimensional formula will be m L2 times, so L2 t minus 2. This will be our work dimensional formula. So next one is power. So power is equal to work upon time. So work already we have got mlt t minus 2 upon time will be normal t. Now t will go upside, what we get, ml2 t minus 3. Okay, ninth one is potential energy. So what is the formula of potential energy? U is equal to mgh, or you can express it as PE also. Okay, so m will be L, g is gravity, so acceleration will be used, so m0 lt minus 2, and h, what is h? H will also be a length. Sorry, this is mass and length. Now m is m, now L will be 2 times and t minus 2, so ml2 t minus 2. 10, kinetic energy will be also same, but its formula is different, so we will see it also. K is equal to half mv square. So this constant term is neglected in dimensional. Now m is mass, so m, and v square velocity. Where is velocity? We have already calculated in our third part, m0 lt minus 1. So m0 lt minus 1 whole square. Now we will use product rule. So m, yes, m0 will be m0 only, L2 and t minus 2. Now compare this m L2 t minus 2. See, kinetic energy and potential energy both have same dimensional formula, because unit is same for in both the conditions. Okay, now next one is 11th one is pressure. So pressure formula is P is equal to F upon A, force upon area. So force we have already know, mlt minus 2 already calculated, and area also we have calculated, L square. Send it above, so ml 2 and 1 minus 2 minus 1 t minus 2. So we get pressure dimensional analysis. 12th is density. So D is equal to mass upon volume. Now mass dimensional formula we have m, and volume also we have L cube. Transfer it, it will be ml minus cube. If you want to form it in mlt, so ml cube minus T is equal to 0. Okay. So this is density. So these types of different physical quantities have their dimensional formula. If you know the formula, you can easily calculate the dimensional formula. Write some note for dimensional formula. First one is the ratio of similar quantities are dimensionless. Example, strain, relative density. Second point is in physics there are certain constants which have dimensions. Example, velocity of light in vacuum. It is a constant as 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, but it has dimension LT minus 1. Okay. Next example is universal gravitational constant. Okay, which value is G is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Okay, it is also have a dimensional formula. So by this we will calculate the dimensional formula. Thank you.